Today, I will show you how to flip and rotate your videos right inside Premiere Pro. Make sure to watch to the end as I will give you a lot of pro tips and tricks, as well as show you how this can actually be used to make awesome transitions as well. Let's get into it. We're in Premiere Pro, and the first thing you'll want to do is make sure your clip is selected and then go to Effects Controls. If Effects Controls isn't on your screen, go up to Window and then make sure Effects Controls is checked here, and then it will appear in your workspace. And all you would need to do is go to where it says rotation and rotate this in whatever direction you'd like. But to actually flip your video, we have to do one more thing. Go to Effects, search Basic 3D, and drag it onto your clip. Again, go to Effects Controls, and now we have this basic 3D option available where we have swivel and tilt. And as you can see, swivel will allow you to swivel your image left or right so it's inverted. As you can see here, if we flip it 180 degrees, it's now flipped on its axis. And similarly with tilt, if we go 180 degrees on tilt, it will flip the image totally upside down. And it's as easy as that. But before we move on, I want to remind you guys that we are posting one new tutorial every single week. So if you want to continue to become a better video editor, make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and comment letting us know what you want to learn next. Back to the video. And now I want to show you how you can use the rotation tool to create transitions like this. So I have my two clips next to each other, and I want to create a spin transition in between them. The first thing you'll do is highlight both of your clips, go to Effects, and search Replicate. Dragging in an effect while having both of them highlight will apply the effect to both clips. Select your first clip, go to Effects Controls, navigate down to Replicate, and change the count to 3. Then change the scale to 300. Then click your second clip, go back to Replicate, and change the count to 3. Then change the scale to 300. Now go back to Effects, search Transform, and drag it onto both of your clips. Click on your first clip, go back to Effects Control, scroll down to where you see Transform, change the shutter angle to 200. Now keyframe rotation. Move 10 frames forward from this keyframe using the keys on your keyboard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then make another keyframe by changing the rotation to 180 degrees. Right click on your first keyframe, choose Ease Out. Hit this drop down arrow button and use this lever to smooth out the S-curve. And finally, just highlight both keyframes and move them all the way to the end of your clip. And now your first clip will look like this. Click your second clip, go to Effects Controls, and scroll down to where you see Transform, change the shutter angle to 200, create a rotation keyframe, make it 180, move 10 frames forward. Again, I'm just using the keys on my keyboard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then change the rotation to 360 degrees. Click the second keyframe, choose Ease In, pull this drop down menu down. Again, I'm just smoothing out this curve. If you watch it back, that's smooth now. And then lastly, we'll just highlight both and move them all the way to the start of the clip. And now when you watch it back, it looks like this. So that's really all you need to know about flipping and rotating videos in Premiere Pro. If you made it this far, make sure you're subscribed and don't forget to check out Mirror Camp and join our online school for more.